Today we'll discuss new chapter direct and inverse proportions, chapter number 10, 8th class maths. Exercise 10.1 part 1. The cost of 5 meters of a particular quality of cloth is 210 rupees. Find the cost of 2, 4, 10 and 13 meters of cloth of same quality. Here we have to understand what sort of proportion is this. We know that if the number of meters increases, if that number increases, the cost also increases accordingly. Okay, so first bit, if we want to find the cost of 2 meters of cloth, that means it is in direct proportion. So in direct, what is direct proportion? If one quantity increases, the other quantity also increases accordingly. If one quantity decreases, the other also decreases accordingly. So here first we have for 5 meters of cloth, the cost is 210. We have to find out what is the cost of 2 meters of cloth. So because this is in direct proportion, we have a formula here, that is x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2 is equal to some constant. So this is a constant of proportion. So that means x1, what is x1 here? It is 5. What is x2? It is 2. What is y1? It is 210. What is y2? We have to find out y2. So x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2 equal to constant. That means x by y is always constant in direct proportion. So 5 by 210 equal to 2 by y2. Therefore, after simplification we get y2 equal to 84. So the cost of 2 meters of cloth is 84. Similarly 4 meters. 5 meters, the cost is 210. 4 meters, what is the cost? So x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. 5 by 210 equal to 4 by y2. y2 equal to 168. Next 10 meters of cloth. 5 meters of cloth, cost is 210. Okay. What is the cost of 10 meters? Same. It is 420. 13 meters. If 5 meters of cloth, the cost is 210. What is the cost of 13 meters? So again x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. y2 equal to 210 into 13 by 5, which is equal to 546. So the cost of 13 meters cloth is 546. This is the first problem. Fill the table. Okay, here this is number of apples. Okay, and this is cost of apples. So number of apples are given 1, 4, 7, 12 and 20. The cost of apples, one apple costs 8 rupees. That is given. So we have to find the cost of those many number of apples for the given questions. So x1 first bit. So this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3 and this is number 4. So first bit, x1 is 1, x2 is 8, y1 is 4, y2 is how much? x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2, because if this number increases, the cost also increases. So this is direct proportion. So x by y is a constant. So x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. y2 is 32. Similarly, x1 is 1, x2 is 8, y1 is 7, y2 is, we have to find this y2. Same, x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. y2 is 56. Again, x1 is 1, x2 is 8, y1 is 12. What is y2? y2 is 96. x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. We have to apply this for all direct proportion problems. x1 is 8, x1 is 1, x2 is 8, y1 is 20. What is y2? y2 is 160. Okay. Third problem. 48 bags of paddy cost 16,800. Then find the cost of 36 bags of paddy. Same. This is also direct proportion. The number of bags. So the number increases, cost also increases. If the number decreases, cost also decreases accordingly. So x1 is 48, x2 is 36. y1 is given as 16,800 rupees. What is y2? x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2, because this is also a direct proportion problem. Direct proportion. So x by y is constant. So 48 by 16,800 equal to 36 by y2. Therefore y2 equal to 12,600. So cost of 36 bags of paddy is rupees 12,600. Monthly average expenditure of a family with 4 members is 2,800. Find the monthly average expenditure of a family with only 3 members. Same direct proportion problem. If the number of members in the family increases, the cost or expenditure also per month increases. So x1 is 4. So y1 is 2800. x2 is given 3. What is y2? x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2, because it is also in direct proportion. 4 by 2800 equal to 3 by y2. y2 equal to 2800 into 3 by 4. y2 equal to 2100. Therefore monthly average expenditure of a family with only 3 members is 2100 rupees. Like, share and subscribe for more videos on direct and inverse proportions.